Hello dear student, how are you? Good morning to all of you. Today we will continue the new lesson linear equation in two variable of class 10th. So before knowing about linear equation in two variable, first of all you know what is the meaning of linear equation. Linear equation. Any equation that can be represented equation that can be represented in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real number, is known as linear equation. In this lesson, to solve the value of variable x and y, we will consider a pair of linear equations. For example, I have taken first equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second equation we consider a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These two equations are said to be a linear pair equation. When we find out the value of x and y, in that case we consider two equations in two variable form to solve the value of x and y. So except this, how we can find out the value of x and y in this case? For that, we have given two methods by which we can find out the value of x and y. First of all, first method, that is said to be graphical method. Solution of xy by using graph method. And second one method is algebraic method. So first we know about solution of xy by using graph method. So how you can solve it? To describe it, we will consider an example. Let x plus 2y is equal to 1300 and x plus 3y is equal to 1300. Be two linear equation in pair form, and we have to find out the value of x and y by graphical method. So how we can find out it? First we find the value of x from equation 1. Suppose this is first equation and this one is second equation. From equation 1, x is equal to 1300 minus 2y. Now we take any value of x for which we get y, otherwise we take any value of y here by own, and on putting it we get x. So Suppose we have considered y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. In that case, x we get 1300. In similar manner, suppose we are taking y is equal to 650, then we get x is equal to 0. Similar manner, we solve two values of x and y from second equation. From equation 2, x is equal to 1300 minus 3y. So on solving it also we can find out the value of x and y. Suppose y is equal to 0. In that case, x is equal to 1300. Suppose y is equal to 1300 divided by 3. Then on putting it in equation we get x is equal to 0. After that we plot these points on graph paper. So in graph paper, first of all we mention the quadrant x o x dash, y o y dash. Suppose this point shows 600, this point shows 1200, and similarly this one 1800. Similar manners we consider on y-axis also 600, 1200 and 1800. First point we locate on graph paper xy, that is 1300, 0. So on y-axis 0 will come at this point, and x 1300 that will come nearby this point. So overall first point we locate 1300, 0, that is this. Similarly we represent 0, 650. On x-axis 0 will come at this point, and y-axis 650 will come nearby this. So overall we get point this 0, 650. Now joining these point two, we draw a line. Similar manners on this graph paper we represent these 2 points also. So 1300, 0 xy, that will be same. So one point is the same, and second one 0 on x-axis and y-axis 1300 upon 3, that will be near about 400 something. So that will come at this point, suppose. So this point is said to be 0, 1300 upon 3. So we again join these 2 points and draw a line. So this is the second line, and this is first line, this first equation. These 2 lines or equation intersect each other at point A, suppose. So this intersection point is the solution of above 2 equations. This solution is also known as consistent solution. Consistent solution means it gives a unique value of given linear pair. So in this way we can solve it. Another pair of linear equation you will consider to solve it, but it is not necessary that these 2 lines intersect each other. It it means these two lines will coincide to each other also. Otherwise, these two lines will be parallel to each other. So on the basis of these three theory, we can say on graphical method, we can find out the solution of linear pair in three ways. Solution of linear pair in three ways. Number one, when lines are intersecting, then solution of line is unique. If lines are parallel, then solution will be no solution. Third one, if line are coincident, then solution will be infinite many solution. Infinite many solution. So overall, in graphical representation, when lines intersect each other, in that case, the solution of that equation will be unique. But when lines are parallel, then no solution we will obtain. If lines are coincident, then solution will be infinite many solution. In first case and third case, these solutions are also known as coincident solution. Coincident solution. While in case of second one, solution of equation is inconsistent. Inconsistent. So what is the meaning of consistent and inconsistent? Inconsistent solution is obtained only on that case when lines are parallel, except this, in both cases solution will be consistent. So this is the sufficient matter for you. On the basis of graphical method, how we can find out the value of x and y into linear equation, we have justified. You use it and solve more and more question at home. And second way of solution of xy we can describe in second video. So today you use at home, and if you like my channel, like my video, so please like and share with your friend more and more, so that we will get new videos for you. Thank you so much.